Okay, Dragon says hello. Hold on. She's getting ready to rap me, aren't you?
I am. LFG with your favorite NPCs. Are you a nerd? Come play nerdy games with other nerds.
Welcome to Highland Weekend. I believe October 4th, 2025. If not, it's still going to be in the video. Anyways, it is another sold out day. Should be a great day. Temperatures are going to be hot, of course. We're in the 50s now to be in the 80s. Nice 30-degree temp changes. No big deal. But it's not raining. And, you know, in the end, me and my cameras, we can deal with that. The lines are forming. It's around 9:30, 9:45, something like that. But like I said, get here around 9:15. You'll be up front. You'll get to see the little pre-show. You'll see a good thing. The Queen, you'll be the first people in the door. And then you're not waiting for an hour out there. You can come in, watch some shows, get a little food, get ahead of the crowds. So once again, that is my continual advice. And Sundays have been lighter than Saturdays by far. So if that's a day you can choose, well, sure, come on out. We got all the same fun stuff going that day as well. I think we have wedding parties over there coming in. Everyone is preparing, getting ready for opening.
Very much greater than 0 chance.
There's the cast heading out front to get ready to do their dancing and entertainment before they start talking up top, and the Queen comes to greet the people. So that's where we're at right now. Musicians are preparing in here. Everyone's lining up for their positions. The wedding party over there is gathering. They either have 2 or 3 weddings a day, every day.
Get over here.
Some of the front entrance music and dance that people can do, and if you're up front, you can see them.
Specifically for you, please come see us. You're arrested.
Well, I'm arrested. Oh, so now we'll do arrested.
I get down to the way.
I'm going to get back there. I've been fixed.
You can see the lines waiting to get in. As I tell you, get here at 9 o'clock. You can be up front. Be one of the first people in and not wait in the line out in the desert.
I was back there.
in every tale in the smiley column. She's got the trick those certain queens. I, for the half, truly believe. Now tell me, great folk, if you dare, what is this day on upon the air? Not in law, nor is it seen, but in the tales that we believe, 'tis none other than magic itself. Hey, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dr. John Key, wizard of the stars at your service. With me, my sword is my Mr. Thomas. Here's the prognosticator. But I beg your pardon. I can see the ears. Music and merriment do what? Entertainment across the land. We have planned through throughout the village. Announcing Her Most Radiant Majesty, Gloriana Regina, Elizabeth, by grace of God, Queen of England, Ireland, Wales, France, and the Virginias, defender of the faith, on earth, under God's supreme governor, all the Church of England and Ireland. God save the Queen! God save the Queen!
My lords, ladies, and good gentles, you may recover! To be here with you today, Lord Mayor, I so look forward to seeing what you've prepared, for I've needed this respite from my daily toils. Without this distraction, I should cry.
We'll spend no expense to make sure you have a magical time! No expense? What is that upon your head? And is that a fishing pole? Have you invited Her Majesty here to fish? Have you seen her bass boat? I think, my lord, you should be careful. And who are these compatriots of yours?
Such beauty and grace and treasure to be seen! I stand your humble servant in awe of the Queen!
He sucketh up. Your Most Radiant Majesty, I am Dr. John D. Mage and Sage at your service. With me, my most Thomas the Third. We're just giving the Lord and the village a riddle and question.
My dear people, let us not tarry here any longer. There's magic music and laughter waiting up inside. So I declare this festival open. Fire in the hole!
Well, that was opening cannon, and the cast and crew are coming in. And the patrons coming in full force. Greeting. Dragon says hello. Oh, impressive. He's always trying to get my attention with them balls going. He gets lots of attention. But you got attention last year, time traveling royalty.
Yes.
Now we're back in the Highlands, right?
We're going to
Is it Highland?
Highlanders?
I think.
I believe
I have no
so.
idea.
Yes.
It seems okay.
Of course.
Good enough.
Many men in kilts, and I do love a man in skirt.
Oh, that's me. I'm like, yeah, they're not bad. And I'm like, oh, that's me. Hey, is that rich husband of yours? He's not in the kilt, is he? No. Oh, oh, good deal. Okay, hold on. She's getting ready to wrap me, aren't you?
I am.
What are you wrapping me in?
I am wrapping you in a VIP Naughty Body Pub show.
And why am I a VIP?
Because you're taking photos and videos today.
Try again.
Oh.
Why am I a VIP?
Because you're so special and wonderful to us.
Normally she doesn't fail. Normally she's good and helps me properly
Only
troll.
takes one try most of the time.
That's it. So she's out here trying to get attention. She just got to scream. Scream. I'm waiting for you. Scream, Allie.
Now there's pressure. LFG with your favorite NPCs. Are you a nerd? Come play nerdy games with other nerds. You have it. I was wondering where it was. Well, you weren't here. I was putting out a fire.
Oh, what are you putting on a fire? Like a literal fire?
A literal fire.
Oh, Jesus.
Burning the house down.
The help is brought there. See, I just made her scream. It was more fun.
Of course. As you would. That is an option.
She remembered the most important thing, my silver. That's it. Yeah. That's it. Now, welcome to Viking Weekend. Not Highland Weekend. That's next weekend. We have the guards dancing, as usual. The guards are basically staying in shape. They're fixing their lymphatic system. See, look at me, casually doing, and I run into the beautiful. The special entrance grade is filling up. The court is probably arriving as the queen is ready to come down. You can tell because they're moving to their new positions. Should I pretend and stand in the middle of them like I'm one of royalty? Maybe.
Pretend.
Maybe. I am actually royalty. But you know, you come down with the people, you learn a lot.
Yes, very much so.
They would never expect me.
Many warriors and many royals have done just that. Very wise.
We had very nice stuff last time on time travel. It turned out well.
Yes.
Queen. Do I want to videotape today or the close-ups continually? I think it's the close-ups continually. Yes. Thanks everyone for watching the 2025 Ohio Renaissance Festival series, Viking Weekend. New videos are coming out daily, so don't miss them. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. And don't forget to like, comment, and hype this video to help others find it. Every bit of support helps the channel grow and keeps these stories coming. I post videos from events, music, and things to do all around Miamisburg and beyond, so come back anytime to see what's new. I'm Miamisburg J, sharing real people, real places, and real stories. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.